Let's unbox this multi-function emergency jump starter kit. Once you open it up, you'll see a really premium-looking storage case inside. Pop that open, and everything is laid out super neat and organized. This right here is the main power unit. Over here, we've got the air pump. And then the vacuum and the washer. All the accessories are included to brush it attachment for the vacuum, the spray nozzle, water hose, air hose and valve adapters, foam bottle, and even a wireless phone charger. Let's start by setting up the air pump. Twist off this red protective ring on the power unit. Line it up with the pump port and twist it on clockwise. Once those two markers line up, you know it's locked in correctly. Power it on, and you can switch to inflation mode, and it even has a built-in emergency light. Plug in the air hose. Connect it to the pump, and you're ready to inflate your tires. Next, let's test the vacuum. You can snap on the brush attachment. Then, line it up with the power connector and twist it in the same way. Once it clicks in, you're good to go, and you can adjust the suction level too. To remove it, just twist it counterclockwise and it comes right off. Now let's set up the wireless phone charger. Remove the cap, line up the 4 pins with the connector, twist it clockwise, and it'll start charging your phone wirelessly. Last one, the washer. Connect it to the power unit just like before. Then attach the spray gun. Press down on the quick connect fitting, slide it in, and release it. Locks automatically. Do the same with the water hose. If you want to use soap, just swap out the spray head for the foam bottle. Once everything's hooked up, you can start washing your car right away.